I ordered from Banggood this desoldering pump, and I use it a couple of times, and I can see it's working fine. And I will show it how it works. I have unfortunately no solder here, but as you can see, I have here a couple of plastic pieces, and I will load the gun. It's now loaded, it's being loaded, and I will suck a couple of these plastic things, for example this one. And it's gone. I will snap another one, this bigger one. And it's gone too. I have only problem with this product. I can't open it. As you can see here, to change tips, or I think to clean the tank, you should turning the tip or the cap counterclockwise. Okay, let's try it, but I can't manage it. But I can live with this little problem, and I think this is a great product.